G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward and Happy New Year everybody. Do you know, I think this year, 2022, I am personally going to make this year my fight song. I'm ready. I feel like this is going to be the year where we come back. And anybody of you, all of you out there, if any of you have fought a fight and won, whether it be fighting with health issues, emotional issues, then well done, congratulations. And any of you out there who are struggling and fighting a fight right now, you have an army of Pay It Forward people behind you right here. So if you haven't joined us, join us, because we are all about being positive. And the best way to fight a fight is to put more of yourself in the world, and we can do that by creating. And it's the very purest part of you, I think, creating. So come and join us and fight the good fight with me this year. And this year, I really hope to reach a whole lot more people. Now, I've got a big favour to ask of you all. I know, already I'm asking favours. The year's just started. But really, you all know that I am a true introvert. Now, I'm very brave sitting here in an empty room talking just to a camera. But the thing I'm worst at is self-promotion. So it absolutely drives Mr. T crazy. I'm not a self-promoter at all, and you know what? I'm never going to be. I just don't. I find it very, very difficult. So my friends, I need your help. I want to reach so many more people with Pay It Forward. I want to get this channel out there. So many people have benefited from it, and I know that there's a lot more people out there who just don't know that we're here. So I need all of you, my friends, to share just within your own sewing community your beautiful work that you're making from my patterns here on Pay It Forward and also Masterclass. And that will spread the word. Share the links, and let's bring more people in. Because I always think there might be another Lisa out there who all those years ago was very lost and not in a good situation, and she just needed a positive outlet. So let's reach all of those people out there who might be needing that. So the best thing you can do to fight a fight is to put more of yourself in the world. I think so anyway, and creatively, let's put good in the world. It's such a pure thing to do. So if you guys could help me with that, that would be amazing. And let's just see how many people we can bring to Pay It Forward. So today we're talking about January Masterclass, of course, and today, I have for you, all of you who have already joined me in Masterclass, we have a Boston Terrier art doll, medium art doll. I've called him Orson because I've already made Mork and Mindy that you may well have seen. It's just a lovely project. I'm introducing some new techniques in this one. So all of you who have been waiting for these breeds, this is the month to join Masterclass. I'm going to put the links down below to join Masterclass, and also the link to our Facebook group. So many of you are already there, and when I talk about having an army of people around us, of positive creativity, that's a great place to be, that Facebook page. So come along, join and share your creations and be inspired by what everybody else is doing. So also here today, I'm going to be giving away, it's very exciting for me because I'm teaching you airbrushing in this month's Masterclass. So I have a full airbrushing kit to give away to one of you, and I will be asking you a question at the end of this video, and the first person to answer that question correctly in the comments, you will receive that prize, and I will have that sent out to you via Amazon, no matter where you live in the world. So let's have a closer look at my Boston Terrier, Orson. So may I introduce Orson? We've got beautiful Orson. I called him Orson because I've actually got Mork and Mindy, my other two Boston Terrier art dolls. So I thought I would call him Orson. And if you are as old as me, you will remember that Mork and Mindy series and why I've called him Orson. He has, of course, his little snuggle bunny, which we made in Pay It Forward. You would all be familiar with that one. And he is a medium-sized art doll. So he uses the same body as the goat. Those of you who are already with me in masterclass, it is exactly the same body. It works so well because we can interchange all of those new heads that we bring in. You've got all of your clothing, boots, your little overalls. I have added a little jumper there, a little cardigan, knitted cardigan. I always like to layer them up. Little scarf. Another new technique you're going to be learning in masterclass this month is a wobble neck joint, which gives us a whole range of movement there with that head. So great posability with this one. It's not suitable for everything, but it is. I will walk you through that and show you how to do that. So there's so much to learn this month in masterclass. I hope this one tempts you across. This is little Mindy. A lot of you have already seen Mindy, spied her. She's been with me for years. I've upped the eye size this time, so you can see there's lots of different choices there. And I have got, that's the little liver colour. So liver, or what they call lemon within the breed. And also we've got grumpy little Mork there, and he's in the classic black or dark black brindle there. So lots of options for colours. Now the best news is that this one, I'm going to show you airbrushing in this month. And it's very exciting because this month's giveaway is a full airbrushing kit. I'm going to be sending you direct from Amazon. This is the one that I actually use in masterclass. And whoever answers my question with the answer first in the comments, you will receive this. I will send that directly to you wherever you live in the world, directly from Amazon. So that's really exciting. It's a really simple kit to use, and you'll find it fabulous for all of your ongoing work in masterclass. So let's get to that question and see who wins it. So that's it, everybody. I hope that you have enjoyed seeing Orson, and I hope a lot of you are going to jump across and join me in masterclass and create all of those things. Remember that masterclass, no matter when you join, you get all of the projects that came before. It's just like a big library of joy, really. So come along and join me there. So I have a question for you for this beautiful airbrushing kit. My question is, how many children do I have? If you know me and have been following me, you will know this. I think this will go off pretty quickly. So looking forward to what's ahead. I really, really am. And everybody right here on Pay It Forward, I've got a beautiful new pattern coming up very soon. Give me a minute. The year's just starting. But it will be very soon. It will be a beautiful use of a new fabric I'm going to be introducing you all to. So in the meantime, start the year off well, and be positive, be creative, but make sure that you pay it forward. And until next time, it is hooroo from me.